To find a high-performing campaign for a specific traffic source, we're going to go ahead and select the days running to 21 days. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down and select a traffic source. And then we're also going to select a language as well. So I'm going to select English. And then now we can see the highest performing geos for PropellerAds. So we can see that the United States, Thailand, China, India, and Pakistan are working really well. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll towards the top. And to the right, we're going to see a drop-down menu that says newest. And we're just going to go ahead and select this and go to receive most traffic. So now we're going to be looking for a pattern or campaigns that keep reoccurring because they're most likely to be working. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and see what we can find. So a lot of these campaigns look to be VPN and games. So we can see that the VPN seems to be working really well. So I'm going to go ahead and select a VPN campaign. So now we can see the top countries, connection, and landing pages for this campaign. And if we scroll down, we can also see the publishers and even the publisher IDs. So all we have to do now is just copy all this information and then paste it into our own PropellerAds campaign, and we'll be up and ready to go.